Good afternoon. My name is Kelsey Mansray. I'm with EXP Realty, and we're here in Collierville, Tennessee, at this beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. This house is located in the Shelton Hills subdivision, and this house boasts granite countertops. It's in a wonderful neighborhood. It's actually off of Wolf River Bend, so it's very near to the interstate and other amenities in the area. This house has wood plank laminate floors and a wonderful bonus room upstairs with 3 bedrooms all downstairs. So let's go inside and take a look. So upon entrance, you see the dining area, and then walk directly into the family room, which is nice and spacious. And you can also see from the window here the beautiful outdoor pool. But before we get there, let's also look at this spacious kitchen that is wonderful for entertaining guests and just for family gatherings. Let's go outside and discover what we can do to have rejuvenation and fun times with family and friends. Here on the patio, you notice there's a wonderful sitting area. And then there's a place for grilling, and then you see the beautiful pool here. So a wonderful place to come outdoors, have fun with friends or family, or just to come and relax after a hard day's work. This property is nestled in a prime location, so you can easily walk to the picturesque Collierville Greenbelt, to Johnson Park, and enjoy a host of other outdoor activities. So whether you're single or you have a big family, this is a great place to rejuvenate and enjoy family and friends and entertain. So now that we're leaving the poolside lounge, let's go back inside and see the other bedrooms and what else we can discover in this beautiful home. So now we're entering the master bedroom, and now to the master bathroom. We can see the double vanity sinks. The jacuzzi tub, and also a walk-in shower. So on the left side of the house, you see there's a guest restroom here and 2 other bedrooms. So now let's look upstairs and check out the spacious rooms up here. So you have one room nestled away for maybe a young child, and another spacious room for a family member or guest. Walk down the hallway. There's an extra bedroom or bathroom. There's an extra bathroom here. And a bonus room for fun activities, entertaining, or even nestle away into a man cave or an office, or whatever your heart desires. So I hope you enjoyed this tour with me today. I'm Kelsey with EXP Realty. This property is located on Milestone Drive. If you'd like to learn additional information about this place, give me a call. My phone number is 901-451-8089. Thanks so much, and you have a wonderful day.